Ever dreamt of soaring through the skies, feeling the wind in your hair, capturing breathtaking aerial footage? Then buckle up, because today we're diving deep into a cinematic drone showdown. The DJI Avata 2 versus the legendary DJI FPV. We'll dissect their flight performance, image quality, ease of use, and explore which drone reigns supreme for adrenaline junkies and cinematic storytellers alike. Get ready for a high-flying adventure as we uncover the strengths and weaknesses of these two titans of the drone world. Design and build quality. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 adopts a more compact, durable build, designed specifically for tight spaces and environments where agility and crash resistance are crucial. It has a duct propeller design, which not only protects the propellers but also improves the drone's safety by reducing the risk of damage or injury in case of collisions. This makes Avata 2 ideal for indoor flights or for flying in environments with many obstacles. The drone's smaller form factor also makes it more portable and convenient to carry, a major plus for users who need to move between locations frequently. DJI FPV. In contrast, the DJI FPV has a sleeker, more traditional racing drone design. It's larger and less compact than the Avata 2, with exposed propellers that contribute to its higher speed capabilities. However, this design makes it more vulnerable to damage in the event of a crash, especially for inexperienced pilots. The FPV is built for open spaces where it can fully stretch its legs, performing aggressive maneuvers at high speeds. While its design gives it an aesthetic appeal reminiscent of traditional FPV racing drones, it might not be the best choice for tight or indoor flying environments. Flight performance and handling. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is designed to be user-friendly, particularly for those new to FPV flying. It offers incredible stability thanks to its sinew hoop-inspired design and enhanced propeller guards. This allows for smoother, more controlled flight indoors and in environments where precision is needed. The Avata 2 also features obstacle avoidance sensors, which are not typically found in many FPV drones, giving pilots more confidence when navigating complex spaces. With a slightly lower top speed compared to the DJI FPV, the Avata 2 prioritizes control and stability over raw speed, making it ideal for capturing cinematic shots and slower, more intentional flying. DJI FPV. On the other hand, the DJI FPV is designed for thrill seekers. It's a hybrid between traditional camera drones and full-fledged FPV racing drones. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 87 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour, the DJI FPV is significantly faster than the Avata 2, making it the better option for wide open spaces and high-speed action. However, the drone is less forgiving for beginners. It lacks the obstacle avoidance systems present in the Avata 2 and relies more on the pilot's skill to avoid collisions. The manual mode in the DJI FPV allows experienced users to perform advanced maneuvers, offering a thrilling, dynamic flight experience. Camera and image quality. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 focuses on creating immersive and cinematic footage. It is equipped with a 48MP camera and a 1/1.7-inch sensor, which is slightly larger than the DJI FPV's camera. This allows for better performance in low-light conditions and results in sharper, more detailed footage, particularly when flying at lower speeds. The Avata 2 supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range, making it perfect for content creators looking to capture smooth, high-quality footage for professional use. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV also offers 4K video recording, but its camera has a 12MP sensor and is slightly less refined compared to the Avata 2. It's more tailored to capturing fast-moving action rather than cinematic beauty. The FPV supports 4K video at 60 frames per second, but where it truly shines is in its 120 frames per second slow-motion capability at 1080p, which is ideal for capturing high-speed action and crisp, slow-motion detail. However, for users seeking ultimate image quality, especially in more controlled or artistic filming environments, the Avata 2's camera edges out the FPV's. Goggles and FPV experience. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 comes with the DJI goggles too, which are a leap forward in terms of comfort, clarity, and responsiveness. These goggles are more compact and lighter than previous models, offering an improved viewing experience with a high-definition 1080p resolution. The latency is minimal, making the real-time flying experience incredibly immersive and responsive. The head tracking feature also adds to the natural feeling of piloting the drone, giving you the ability to control the camera's view by simply moving your head. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV uses the older DJI FPV goggles V2, which are still excellent but bulkier compared to the new goggles 2. While the resolution is slightly lower, at 810p, the image transmission is still sharp and clear, and the real-time experience is smooth with minimal lag. The FPV goggles V2 provide an excellent entry point into the world of FPV flying, but they lack some of the refinements that come with the newer goggles 2, such as the head tracking and lighter design. Battery life and range. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 offers a flight time of around 18 minutes, which is impressive for an FPV drone of its size. This longer battery life makes it more suitable for content creators who need extended flight times to capture cinematic footage. Its compact design and lower speeds help conserve battery life during flights. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV, due to its larger motors and higher speeds, has a shorter flight time of about 20 minutes, which is reasonable for a drone of its type, but may feel short for pilots performing aggressive maneuvers at high speeds. The FPV is more focused on providing a thrilling experience in shorter bursts, and users will need to plan accordingly if they are going to fly for extended periods. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 2 and DJI FPV cater to different types of FPV enthusiasts, offering unique strengths. The DJI Avata 2 is perfect for users seeking a compact, durable drone that can capture smooth, cinematic footage, particularly in tight spaces. Its user-friendly features, obstacle avoidance, and enhanced stability make it an excellent choice for beginners and content creators alike. On the other hand, the DJI FPV is built for adrenaline junkies and experienced pilots who want the thrill of high-speed flight and the ability to perform advanced aerial maneuvers. It offers unmatched speed and performance, making it ideal for open spaces and action-packed scenarios. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the DJI Avata 2 and the DJI FPV. Both drones offer unique experiences, catering to different flying styles and creative visions. Whether you prioritize cinematic storytelling or exhilarating FPV flights, hopefully, this video has equipped you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more drone reviews and aerial adventures. Happy flying!